Hi guys, it's Greg in here, and today I will share with you how the system in my new listening studio sounds after some improvements. First of all, I placed the speakers like 40 centimeters to the back wall. When it comes to the streamer, now it's a new PC with the newest Ryzen 9000 series, and it's capable of upsampling to DSD 1024 with some advanced filters. So I'm using that with my T+A DAC 200, and also we've got the topping power amplifiers. Those are B200, two of those. It's like €1,000 for a pair, and they're AB class amplifiers, and my first impressions are very good. So I'll compare them later on to some Fosse and other amplifiers in Class D that I like that much. Other than that, I'm finalizing my acoustic panels. So one is ready, and I'll use it behind the loudspeaker here. And the second one is nearly ready. There's still some elements to be placed here. But when it comes to the print time, one of those panels is like 3,000 hours of print time, which is quite insane, but I believe it's worth it. So guys, this is how I print the acoustic panels. I've got 9 of those printers in here, and they do all the job 24/7. They just print and print and print and print. So there's plenty of noise in here, but it's definitely worth it. Also, what I've got in here is a cabinet being printed for the monitor that I am going to release soon, I hope. It takes 5 days to print one cabinet. I've got second bigger printer already that I just need to assemble, and I've got few other printers like this bigger one for some prototypes that I need to still run. But yeah, most of the workhorses for now are those, and once the acoustic panel is done, I'll switch from printing Vibrones on 2 printers to 11 printers altogether in here. So now let's go back to the listening studio. Also next Thursday I'm going to Munich, and I'll do a video show report for you guys where I'll be visiting entire trade show, and I'll do a video report that takes a couple of hours, and yeah, you'll be able to visit the show with me, and I'll take my high-end shops microphones, so you'll be able to experience the best sound quality. Also, I want to thank you guys for getting the new Vibrone footers. Thank you for your initial orders. I already sent samples to 6 Moons, to Mr. Srajan, so that he can check them out, because I like his reviews and I believe he'll find them very interesting. And I also printed some enclosures for them, the holders, so that's how they will come as a set. I'm just waiting for some final boxes and thread adapters, which should come to me in like 2-3 weeks time at the moment. So once again, thank you for pre-ordering those. And yeah, now just let's listen to the sound samples and have a wonderful weekend.
I don't need your love all day. I don't want to know your name, but you, babe. What's about you? I'm alright. Got the best life. I'm partying with my girlfriends. I don't wanna be your girl. I don't need to be cared for, but you, babe. Why can't I forget you? I don't need a heartbreak. That's for young girls dreaming about the lush life. There ain't no guys worthy of me. I don't want to end up a fool. No use for the love life, just the romance washing on my good life. There ain't no love I wanna feel. I don't want to feel like I'm lost. For young girls dreaming about the lush life. There ain't no guys worthy of me. I don't want to end up a fool. No use for the love life, just the romance washing on my good life. There ain't no love I wanna feel. I don't want to feel like I'm lost. I'm alright, I can have a love. I ain't got the time for the blues. I don't wanna mess up my mind. I'm alright, I don't need your love. I ain't got the time for the blues. I don't wanna end up a fool. No, no, I'm alright. Got the best life. I'm partying with my girlfriends. I don't wanna be your girl. I don't need to be cared for, but you, babe. Why can't I forget you?
Creating concrete visions of a macrocosmic prism with a brilliant optimism and a We can change it from the edges. We can challenge all our borders. There is always a new leader. There's always a new order. Our pathway is proceeding and the way is always changing. We are free from what prevents us to realize our destination.
My old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. left alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never shared. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fill, echo in the waves of Salem. And the people bow and pray to the neon god they made. And the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was for me. And the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, tenement halls, and in the
You shoot me in the head. You leave me in the sand. But I am a dancer. Don't you know that? You shoot me in the head. But I am not dead. I am a painter. Don't you know You live all your days according to his way. Oh, Mary, never show your true face, pretending high grade. Oh, Mary, what good is your crown with your heart on the ground? Oh, Mary, oh, God save the Queen with the throne made of stone. Long live the Queen with a life not her own. You pray for warmth, it gets colder. And when you feel weak, the king gets older. What good is your crown with your heart on the ground? Oh, Mary, oh, God save the Queen with the throne made of stone. Long live the Queen with a life not her own. Oh, God save the Queen with the throne made of stone. Long live the Queen with a life not her own. świat wypadł mi z moich rąk. Jakoś tak nie jest mi nawet żal. Czy ty wiesz, jak chciałbyś żyć? Bo ja też. Chyba tak chciałem przez cały czas, lecz jeśli muszę i wybrać będę mógł, jak odejść, to przecież dobrze, dobrze o tym wiem. Chciałbym umrzeć przy tobie. Pachnie wiosną i wiem, że ty łatwo tak zgodziłaś na to się. Jeśli muszę i wybrać będę mógł, jak odejść, to przecież dobrze, dobrze o tym wiem. Chciałbym umrzeć przy tobie. Jeśli kiedyś wybrać będę mógł, jak to zrobić, to przecież dobrze, dobrze o tym wiem. Chciałbym umrzeć z miłości. Chciałbym umrzeć z miłości, nie bez bólu.